एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज अमेंडमेंट बिल के ऊपर बात करने का मौका दिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद स्पीकर सर। First of all, I would like to draw some of the major deficiencies of the management of food stock is the government just does not know the stock which are held by the private sector. Hence, in the production of each and every item must be put in the public domain with the location of the such stocks in all parts of the country. As we all know, in our country, the surplus of the agriculture products, the marginal in some regions and the high in some other regions. This will give the scope of the private traders in the purchase those surplus agriculture products at lower prices, and they hold these products and the private traders, which is the intention of the creating the maximum profits. They will sell the surplus agricultural products at their higher prices, depending upon the situation which will create imbalance in the unnecessary problems in the market, which will impact on the common man. So, as to these imbalance, the government shall take minimize practically measures by the maintaining the totally information the surplus agriculture products in the country and private traders as per the Essential Commodities Act. I would like to bring your kindly notice that the Union government is purchasing only paddy, maize, red grams, cotton, hence some other food items need to be purchased from the pharmacy and makes and the requesting the Union government to purchase some more items products farmers. Our state helping the farmers by the purchasing the almost all food related items from them to the field levels. Now I can proudly say the house of the Telangana state government is under the dynamic CM Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. He is the implementing the maintenance Raitu Bandhu scheme and the 24 hours power benefits about the 20 lakhs farmers paid to in the installments that the Rabi and the Kharif seasons before the sowing, the given rupees 10,000 per annum each crore each acres in the timely the help the farmers in the produce more items and also increase their income. The release of the good doubling of the farmers' income in the 2022. I am happy to say that the state is the largest production of the turmeric in the country. Hence, the Telangana government is demanding the formation of the turmeric board, which was the promise of the BJP government in the 16th Lok Sabha. For the name's sake, that the union government is upgraded the divisional office of the spice board, but there was mentions in the turmeric board is that therefore of the we are strongly demanding the establishment the turmeric board in the exclusively, which these the few words in the thank you, Speaker sir.